Hello everyone, myself Krishna Gopal Bagela and I am going to introduce you about Bluetooth technology. As all we know, we are living in the wireless world. It's not a distant dream anymore. The Bluetooth technology is a current killer technology application with promising future which bring us closer to that end. Bluetooth technology is a wireless automatic art of connection that is aimed at simplifying and communicating in the internet and data synchronization facilitating cable replacement technology. The Bluetooth technology has proven to be an excellent industrial specification for the wireless personal area network, requiring a little bandwidth with significant feature of robustness, low power and low cost efficiency. Here are some keywords like PAN, Cipher and Piconet devices, wireless internet. What's with the name? The name Bluetooth was named after 10th century Viking in the Denmark Harlet Bluetooth, who united and controlled Denmark and Norway. The name was adopted because Bluetooth wireless technology is expected to unify the telecommunication and computing industries. Who started Bluetooth? Bluetooth is a special interest group found in spring 1998 by the Ericsson, Intel, IBM, and Nokia Toshiba. Now, the more than 2000 organizations join SIG in the present time. What is Bluetooth? Bluetooth is an open standard for the short range digital radio to interconnect a variety of devices cell phone, PDA, netbook, or computer modems, cardless phones, pagers, laptop, computer, printer, and also camera. By developing a single chip, low cost, radio based wireless network technology, as in picture show. Bluetooth simplifying communication between the device and internet. Data synchronization operates in the licensed extreme ISM band of 2.4 GHz. User frequency hopping spread spectrum. Omnic direction, no require line of sight. Bluetooth offers data speeds of up to 1 Mbps up to 10-meter range. Unlike IDA, Bluetooth supports a lane-like mode where the multiple devices can interact with each other. The key limitation of Bluetooth are the security and interference with wireless lanes. Short range wireless radio technology. Bluetooth is a PAN technology, offers fast and reliable transmission for the both voice and data. Can support either a asynchronous data channel with up to 3 simultaneous synchronous speech channel or one channel that transfer asynchronous data and synchronous speech simultaneously. Support both packet switching and circuit switching. Bluetooth frequency has been set aside by the ISM, which is industrial, scientific, and medical, for the exclusive use of Bluetooth wireless communication on the 2.45 GHz frequency. Government allows only for 2.4 GHz frequency. All of devices. Here are some devices, peripheral devices, which are connected to Bluetooth by the Bluetooth. This is a simple structure of Bluetooth device. Here are the some parts, some fractions. How does it work? Bluetooth is standard for tiny radio frequency chips that can be plugged into your device. These chips were designed to take all of the information that your wire normally send and transmit to at the special frequency, something called a receiver Bluetooth chip. The information is then transmitted to your device. These are the devices of Bluetooth hardware devices. Specification. Bluetooth specification are divided into two parts, which is the core specification. The Bluetooth specification contains the Bluetooth radio specification as well as baseband, link manager, L2CAP, and service discovery, RFCOM, and other specification. This is a structure, internal structure of Bluetooth. Specification. These specifications include the following: the profile, cardless telephone, serial port, handset, intercom, dial-up network, fax, and file transfer, service discovery, and applications generic access. These are uses of Bluetooth. Here are some diagrams of use Bluetooth. Here is a cable replacement by the mouse, handset, and cell phone. Also, in the internet access by the DTH and the ad hoc networking. Radio power classes. The Bluetooth specification allow for three different types of radio power, which is class 1, class 2, and class 3. Class 1 has 100 milliwatt, class 2 has 2.5 milliwatt, and class 3 has 1 milliwatt. These power classes allow Bluetooth devices to connect at different ranges. High power radios have longer range. The maximum range of class 1 is 100 milliwatt, is about 100 meter. There is also minimum range of Bluetooth connection, that minimum range of around 10 centimeter. Some power management of benefits. First is cable replacement. Replace the cable for the peripheral devices. Ease of file sharing, panel discussion, conference. Wireless synchronization. Synchronize personal information contained in the address books and date books between the different devices such as a PDAs, cell phones, etc. Bridging of network. Bluetooth is also used in bridging of networks. Cell phones connect to the network through the dial up to connection while the connecting at the laptop of Bluetooth. Here are some given Bluetooth devices. First is telephone, handset, computer, and camera. PDAs, cars, and etc. These are some pictures of specific Bluetooth devices. First is Bluetooth enabled in the PC cards, also enables in the PDA, Bluetooth enabled in the cell phones, Bluetooth enabled in the handset. Wireless technologies. There are two technologies that have been developed as wireless cable replacement. First is infrared and second is radio, which is Bluetooth. Why not infrared? Infrared for the point to point links, limits to line of sight, have the narrow angle which is 30-degree angle, low penetration power, and the distance covered is low. It is approximately 1 meter. Have a up to throughput of 9600 bps to 4 mbps. IIRD has proven to be a popular technology within the complaint ports of currently available in a array of devices, including embedded devices, phone, modems, and computer, which is PC devices, and laptops, PDAs, and printer, and other computer peripherals. Here are comparison between the infrared and Bluetooth. First of all, Bluetooth is a spread spectrum and infrared is a narrow band. In Bluetooth has a frequency range is 2.4 gigahertz, is optical is 500 850 nanometers. Bluetooth has a 1 Mbps speed and infrared more than 16 Mbps. Range is 30 feet of Bluetooth and the infrared has a low range which is 3 feet. Suppose device up to 8. Bluetooth support up to 8 devices but infrared only 2. Some voice channels is 3 in the Bluetooth and infrared has only 1. Security of Bluetooth. In the present time, all focus on the Bluetooth security. Security in the Bluetooth is provided on the radio path only. Link authorization, authentication and encryption may be provided. True end-to-end security relies on the higher layer security solution on the top of Bluetooth. Bluetooth provides three security services: authentication, confidential, confidentiality, authorization. In the authorization devices, identity verification of the communicating. In the second, against information comparison. And the last is access right of resource services. Sorry, fast FH, fast frequency together with link radio, link power control provide protection from the eavesdropping and malicious access. Fast frequency makes it harder to look the frequency. The power control focus the adversary to be a reliability choose proximity. Next is a security module authentication. In the exchange of business cards need to be secret key. A security manager controls access to the service and to devices. Security mode 2 does not provide any security until a channel has been estimated. Key generation from the pin. Pin must be 1 to 16 bits. Pin are fixed and may be permanently stored. Manage user use for the 4 digit, this is 00. Some advantages of Bluetooth. Here the wireless, first is it is a wireless. Second advantage is no setup needed. Third, low power consumptions, which is a 1 milliwatt. Industry wide support, widely support. And here are some disadvantages. Short range, which is 10 meter. Small throughput rate, then which is approximately data rate is 1 mbps. Mostly for the personal usage and the fairly expensive. Bluetooth future. The future of the technology becomes a standard is likely with a strong industry pushing behind it. Success is inevitable. Bluetooth will soon be known as a Bluetooth 2.2 as they are trying to develop the product to better fulfill the need of the consumer. Often with new technology, earlier change mean recognition not with Bluetooth. Instead of there are will be an improvement to the existing standards. Thank you very much for attending my presentation.